Now, dear student, now today I am going to discuss about the network structure. Okay, the geometrical arrangement of the network is known as a network structure. That means resources, the network devices, the communication channels, how it is arranged. So there is a topology. Topology means the arrangement. Topology means the physical layout of the cables and the devices. Okay, so logical topology, physical topology, what you can see, logical topology means the way of information flow between the different components. There are two type of logical and physical topology. Now topology is divided into many parts: bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. Bus topology, this is the connectivity system, is known as a bus communication system. So in this communication system, what you find it, that when you connect the devices, when you connect the computer, there are the different type of communications there. So it helps to connect one particular communication media will be there. This is known as a backbone. Okay, one where will be there. This is known as a backbone. With this particular thing, many devices will be. It can, one can be computer, one can be printer, the other can be computer. Different type of devices will be uh, connected, and when those different type of devices will be connected, they will going to send the data and information among them. So what is the advantage? It is very easy to install, minimum cable is required. Disadvantage, difficult to reconnect. Means if you want to connect it, in your book elaborately everything has been given. Difficult to reconnect, difficult to find the problems. What is the problem? Because some of the nodes remain unused for a long duration of time. Okay, so it is difficult to find out the problem, difficult to add the new device. If you want to add a new device, everything you have to reconfigure, break, stop all the transmission data. That means if you want anything is break or stop, you have to again retransmit the data, you have to do the work again. Okay, this is what the things you can find it. Start topology, start topology means in middle hub or switch will be there, and those are the nodes. Nodes means they are the different computers. So star topology use, it is a centralized control system. So system is centrally controlled, due to which everything is very managed way. Okay, so less expensive than the mesh topology. Star topology is less expensive than the mesh topology. It is very easy to install, and which is not working. It can be very easy to install that node, because the total system cannot be dissamper if any node is not working. But disadvantage is that if the central hub became fail, the total system will collapse. This is the main disadvantage of this. Okay. Next is a ring topology. Ring topology means every node is connected with each other, and that means every computer will connect it with each other, and they will going to send a signal from one to another. So from suppose this node to this node, it want to send a signal from this way or this way, which way, one of the way it will select. So direction it will select, based on this direction what you'll find it, that it have to take the help of the middle node what is in between them. So they are the neighbor of each other. This node is neighbor of 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 this, and this one is neighbor of this one. Okay, so all the nodes are neighbor of each other. It is very easy to install, reconfiguration is very easy. If any node is not working, easily you can detect that node, and that node can be easily take out, and it can be recovered from there. So those the things what you find, that it is the part of this. The disadvantage means what? Means breaking the whole system. If you disadvantage, if you got it, the whole system will going to be collapsed if anything going to break. Okay, so this is what the ring topology. Mesh topology, mesh means like a ring, but there is an internal connection. Those diagram do it very properly in your answer script also. They are internally connected with each other. Okay, this will connect, this line will connect, this line will connect, all the line will connect with all the nodes. So these are the interconnection, as well as the circular outer connection is also there. So anyway they can send the data and information. Lot of advantage from here we can get it, that if you want to send, we can easily avoid the traffic. Suppose you find traffic is very more than from here, from this line it send the data directly to this one. Okay, so this way the traffic can be easily shared. If one line is break, rest of the line will still work and function. The system will not going to easy to detect the problem, which node is not working. Problem can be easily detected, it can be examined, and it can be again linked. What are the disadvantages?